What's up, players? Today I have a big celebration. I have 10 Patreons. A big shout out for Andreas Edison. It's a big welcome to the family. It's just a big moment for me. Double digits, baby. Woo! So now it's 3 digits. We are hunting the 3 digits. So yeah, if you want to join Patreon, please subscribe to that deal. All right. So okay, what have I done since lately? Well, I have painted a little bit more on this. I don't know if I can. If you can see how much it's put in there, but this is the type of end I want to paint every miniatures to be. But let's just drop in the dice today. We get number 4 again. Woo! Heroes of Hobbiton. Okay, Heroes of Hobbiton number 4. So let's find out what's going on in today's Choose Your Own Adventure. One evening in camp, the Dwarf Prince challenges you to a sparring match. He wants to prove himself to his father, the Dwarf High King. However, the prince is not an impressive fighter. After checking his stat sheet, you calculate that you easily win a sparring match, and his reputation will be devastated as a result. On the other hand, your comrades will be watching and would not be happy if you lost to a weak-ass opponent. What do you do? Well, last episode, you know, we hang out with the princess, elf princess. So, you know, I'm going to just say to the elf king, hey, that dwarf over there, he take your princess out for a trip around the showing the city at night, and play like banjo, ding 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 ding, and narrate the action that follows. Yep. All right. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye. What's up, players? What's up, players? Welcome to this mud up in here. Okay, so what was challenge is up here and we are doing stuff. Wow.